We've told you about the clinic in Penitas recently opened by the medical students at UTRGV. For the city, they say it's another indication of how their community is growing. Here's Rick Diaz with today's Come Gente.
Business Highway 83 takes you right through the middle of Penitas, surrounded by Palmview on the east and La Jolla on the west. Penitas actually has the bigger population.
Penitas has always been seen as a rural city, but now, as you can see, our growth has more than tripled in the past 2-3 years.
Recently, it got its new shopping plaza. Walmart is big here, and the traffic never seems to stop.
As you can see, every city is growing north, and it's a race to the north. So right now, our ETJ goes out a 8-mile line.
ETJ, the city's extraterritorial jurisdiction, which means the Pueblo de Palmas Colonia is part of the city, and that's where the UTRGV Medical School has opened its student-run medical clinic, supervised by faculty advisors.
There are here about 4 colonias, and there are more than 2,000 families, about 10,000 people approximately.
Sister Fatima was part of the Catholic nuns that established Proyecto Desarrollo Humano and set up the original clinic. Even back then, 4 doctors volunteered their services.
This was their first request to have doctors here.
Community is receiving medical care, which is very much needed, but the students are also getting an education.
We always hear stats being thrown out about, unfortunately, this being one of the poorest areas in the country, and we're actually doing something about it.
And something our community advisors and faculty advisors are really impressing upon students is that we need to look at patients more than just being people who come into a room.
Diabetes is a big issue in the valley, so I'm really glad we're able to do their A1Cs here to make sure that if they need any further treatment, they can get it.
The medical students will run the clinic every 3rd Saturday of the month, offering a variety of health screenings.
Well, this clinic definitely means a better quality of life for our residents and our children.
And the mayor says the addition of the medical clinic shows just how fast Penitas is growing.
But you're also serving a big community over there in Pueblo de Palmas, which is a growing community, and it's much needed help over there.
A Valley City and the Valley's Medical School, helping each other grow. For Channel 5 News, I'm Rick Diaz, con mi gente.